Hello, I'm Declan from Science Hilarious, and we're going to be talking about hummingbirds and what this thing is, and, well, you're probably guessing what this is, and it's a school-made, because I made it at school, in a kind of science thing we did. So it's a homemade hummingbird feeder, and what I have in it is hummingbird food I found on the Ask website, and what it is 4 cups of water and 1 gram of granulated, I don't know how to pronounce it, like it's granulated sugar or something. And then what I did was, I put it onto boil and stirred it to help the sugar dissolve. That's why you can't see sugar. There'd probably be a bunch of sugar there. And then I put it in the freezer, and that's actually, it was really hot, so, whoa, okay, that's just weird. And I boiled it, and I put it in the freezer, and then I put it in here. And it's still a little bit warm, the plastic is. So, hummingbirds, we haven't seen any. We have seen a few. They're just off there. Our neighbors have bird feeders, and we thought we might see a few. Our neighbors over there have a really awesome garden. You can see the trees from it. So we often see birds, and we actually saw, they weren't hummingbirds, but we saw 2 birds that were the exact same. One came down and dug something out of the ground, I don't know what, and then flew away. But we're gonna leave this up here. Sip, go away. And I'm also gonna poke a hole in it to let air go in so it can fill itself up. And that's about the end. Remember, you can look it up on search thing on the computer, or ask.com also has the ingredients, and it's pretty easy to make. So that's the end of this video of Science Hilarious. Not sure what our next episode